Hello friends! Today we have an amazing device for active lifestyle enthusiasts and videography lovers. The XbotGo AI Sport Gimbal. This innovative stabilizer promises to take your video to the next level. Let's dive in and see what it offers and what it has learned. The first thing that stands out when unboxing the XbotGo AI Sport Gimbal is its ergonomic and sturdy design. The device is made of high quality materials, ensuring comfort and ease of use. In the package, you'll find the stabilizer itself, a charging cable, a user manual, and a convenient carrying case. My set also includes this remote control for ease of use and a tripod with a cover. 1. The power button. It turns the stabilizer on and off. You simply hold the power button for 2 to 3 seconds to power it on or power it off. Number 2, the mode button, which switches between different stabilization modes like panning, following, locking, etc. And you simply press once to switch modes. Number 3, the joystick, which controls the camera movement left, right, up, and down. Simply tilt the joystick in the desired direction to control the camera. Number 4, the shutter or record button, which takes a photo or stops and starts video recording. You simply press once for a photo and hold for video recording. Number 5, the zoom level, which adjusts the zoom level, and you press up or down to zoom it in or out. Number 6, the focus wheel, which adjusts the camera's focus, and you simply turn the wheel to change the focus. Number 1 is the power button on remote, which turns the remote on and off, and you simply hold the button for 2 to 3 seconds to power it on or power it off. Number 2, the sync button, which syncs the remote with the XbotGo AI Sport Gimbal. Simply press and hold to start syncing. At number 4, the mode button on the remote, which switches between stabilization modes. The processor is a high-performance AI processor for smooth operation. As for motors, it has a 3-axis stabilizer with powerful and quiet motors. For connectivity, it has Bluetooth for smartphone connection and app control. And for the weight, it's lightweight and compact and ideal for long shoots. Time-lapse and hyperlapse shootings create stunning videos capturing long periods and short moments. It has app support with an intuitive app for iOS and Android that allows you to adjust shooting parameters and record videos on the go, with convenient gesture control to start and stop recording, switch modes, and more. Here's how it works, and object tracking. The autofocus function of the XbotGo AI follows a selected object, keeping it in frame even during fast movement. I also tested it while it followed a game of football.
Oh! Ай, ай! Егор, под себя! Я не смотрю обратно. Давай, давай, играй, играй. Толкай его. Назад, назад. Толкай, толкай. А ты не здесь. Я понял, что не здесь. Вот так. Ой, ну это второй стопудовый был. Давай, суй ногу, отлично. Бля, ну нахуй такие пасы, братан. Давай, всем. А? Кто хуйню дал, да? Я. Давай не надо забить там на камеру.
The XbotGo AI Sport Gimbal offers a variety of functions that make it a top choice for active users, such as automatic stabilization. Smart AI ensures smooth shooting even in the most dynamic conditions, whether running, cycling, or skateboarding. Here you can see footage of my walk in the park. As for advantages, it has a high quality build, long battery life, ease of use, and a wide range of creative features. As for disadvantages, the price may be higher than average compared to competitors, and it takes time to master all the features. The XbotGo AI Sport Gimbal is an indispensable tool for anyone looking to create high quality and stable videos even in extreme conditions. Whether you're into sports or just love filming, this device will become your best assistant. And thank you for watching! Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel for more reviews. Leave your questions and comments below, and see you in the next video.